All right, we have not done a couple things with this Pro R to make it a little bit more creature comfort. We got no extra lights on here, just the main headlights. I don't do the most amount of night riding, but I do like to do a little here and there, and I need some lights. And we got Novsight here with these 2-inch pods. They say they're actually pretty dang good for just little 2-inchers. So check out Novsight. I mean, honestly, they throw out some pretty good products at really good prices. They won't break the bank. And then we also got these 6-inch light pods, but these are gonna go on another unit, so stay tuned for that. But really big shout out to Novsight right here. These guys are awesome. Like, bang for your buck, this is where it's at for sure. So we're gonna install these 2-inchers on here, and then we'll go from there. If I really think I need more light, I'll put them on here, but we're gonna do a quick install of this and see how well they work. See if 2-inchers work or if we need more light. What do you think, Nahi?
I think we're gonna need more light.
You think we're gonna need more light? Well, if we do a ton of night riding, yes. Yeah. 2-inchers aren't like, no. I mean, they're just 2-inchers. It's not like they're saying that it's like buying a 3,000 light bar, you know? Yeah. But let's just see how much these little 2-inch light pods do, because I don't plan on doing a ton of night riding with this unit. So that's why I'm saving the big boys here, these big halos, the 6-inch pods. I mean, if you fill the box, it's like, what is there, gold in there? Like, it's heavy just for 2 pods, right?
It is.
Like, there's gotta be some quality to it if it's that heavy.
Yeah.
So stoked for those, but those are gonna go on the next one. We'll put these ones on this one. So here we go. All right, so we got the little switch. Little toggle switch. What are you thinking so far, Nahi? Oh wow, these are like,
those are
is it just me or is that heavy? I don't know. You've messed with a lot. Yeah. I never really install these. I always have someone assist me. Yeah. I don't trust myself, especially in the electrical world. Nahi's an electrician.
The frame wise are good.
Yeah, that feels like that could take a beating. Like shockingly, like really heavy duty.
They are.
My car's now gonna weigh 5,000 pounds because of my light pods that are only 2-inch.
They're gonna stay on the ground for sure.
keep me planted.
Got white and yellow.
The mirrors I got from them, it had all sorts of different things it could do. So that does make sense. They put it all in there right out of the gate. So that's one nice thing is I know we had a friend that bought like 6-inch pods, but like in order to make them yellow, you had to add like you just had to put a cover on them that was yellow versus just a flick of the switch. So that'll be nice. One thing we noticed is how heavy this Novsight light is and how light that's like.
It's like
it's like double, right?
Double the weight.
Yeah. Well, that's cool. At least you know like you're getting something with like some quality to it, right?
It is quality. You can feel it.
I think what we're gonna try to do, we'll see. We're gonna try to just line this up here. Now Tim might get mad at me with this hood scoop because he engineered this and loves it, and I do too because I am not going through belts, and I would say a lot of that's because of Jared and Sean with the clutching, and then Tim with the hood scoop has made it so that I'm not going through belts even though I got huge horsepower. So I'm hoping it doesn't block it too much, but I think if we put them, I like how right here, like they're kind of cognito.
They do.
I like how, like, I don't know, I don't really need my lights to stick out like a rainbow, you know? So I liked them here, but we're gonna try to put them here. Worst case, we put them there.
In here.
Yeah, that's not, well, then it's kind of pointed weird, right? Or no?
No, you can.
I guess no. That's not a bad idea.
Well, if this is gonna block some of the air.
I mean, it's gonna block a little, but this is hood scoop, right? Like the Pro R scoop, like there's no hood scoop. It's a vent through the side. You get zero airflow. Well, not zero, but minimal, right? This is actually gonna probably prevent a little bit of sand going through here because I like to ride on people's butt and I get a lot of sand thrown at me. Yeah. So might not be a bad idea.
Put your hand inside the air. It's not all the way up down here.
Yeah.
So there is a gap here.
Yeah, you're really not getting much air right there, anyways.
Yeah.
So it's not really blocking much. We'll try that. See if we can get that to fit. I really like where that just kind of hides it all. So
we'll do.
We'll try it.
That one out.
You want me to pop that out?
Push it out.
There we go.
So we're gonna
pop that out. And then we'll just screw the end of it into it, right? Just drill a little hole.
Yeah, so we're gonna just drill a hole here, fish the wire in, glue this one to that, and then
just pop it right back
it out in here.
Okay.
And that's how we're gonna use that one. And then we're gonna run the cables from here.
You want me to grab it? Or can you?
I think it's blocks from here. I don't have access. You're gonna get it from there, and then we bring them here. Put some zip tied in here.
Not too bad then.
Yeah, pretty easy. You have a minus, then you have the plus, and then the one on the bottom, the third one, the third terminal. See,
Yeah.
it's not wired here.
Yeah.
This is the accelerators.
So this is just a lot easier wiring harness.
Yeah,
setup.
because you can just splice those wires to here, and then you just plug it in.
Okay, nice.
And this is flashing.
Oh, it's got flashers.
So they have flashers. Either you can do the yellow flash,
Oh, wow.
or you can do the white flash.
All right, we got the Novsight.
Okay.
That works. Look at you. First try, Nahi.
So I think we should cover one, put it on,
Okay.
cover one, and then goes.
That's like, it looks like a light bar the way it points out.
Yeah.
Can we, let's go,
And then put,
yeah. I mean, for just two little pods, I think it's gonna be a big difference
oh yeah,
from stock, you know?
yeah.
Like if you're not looking to spend like a shiz ton of money on light bars and
Yeah.
all sorts of stuff. And nice thing about this being here is, I mean, if you rolled it, there is a chance, but not as
if you roll
much.
it, the only thing gonna mess up it's the pockets because it's not a heavy duty, but you're not gonna break the lights.
Yeah. Should have showed it earlier, but yeah, earlier we just had pretty much, I don't know, it was like a 8-foot thing. It was like a 5-foot before. Now we got like 10 feet of light, like width wise. So that's gonna, I think that's gonna actually turn out really good. Thank you, Novsight. If you need to get you some light pods, these Novsights seem like really high quality without paying the high quality price from what I'm seeing. And wouldn't you say, Nahi?
Oh yeah, I love those.
These look good.
And you have the yellow.
Yeah.
Okay? And they are flashers.
Yeah.
You can use them also at the back.
Yeah, you could just put them on the rear for your own flashers versus buying the light bar flasher.
Correct.
And then you'd still have light if you ever wanted to like if you're hanging out behind the cars, you know. Yeah, on your rides you could have some light there if you wanted, or flashers going when you're going. I'm actually surprised just those two little lights how much that's doing. Now obviously I'm not saying this is better than a $3,000 light bar, but I mean for 150 bucks that is doing a lot for you. So something to consider if you just want to add a little bit more light. Not bad at all, but the nice thing is you do that, so you do the white light, and then you can do flashers on both. So we're just gonna do flashers on both just to show you what other options there are. But yeah, a few different setups for flashers. So, mad props to Novsight here. If you'd like to save yourself a couple bucks and make your car a lot faster, go to Pro EFI on their website. 15% off if you type in Desert SXS. So go there. Also, if you'd like a discount on Packard wheels or MTS Offroad suspension parts, we have them on our own website. Save yourself a couple bucks. If you'd like to check out our website, go in the description below, click on more, and then to our Shopify website, and then that's where you can get MTS suspension, merch. Also, if you'd like to donate on our Patreon, you're welcome to do that. We really appreciate it. We'd like to keep these videos coming. Give us some love and give us some support. Thanks for subscribing. If you'd like to support the people that support us, RPM has been very supportive of us, and we really appreciate that. Support RPM. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for watching.